I'm architect Geeta Balakrishnan, and the Apna Our Cause Purple Walk means a lot to me. Ethos Foundation and the Asia Pacific Network for Accessibility come together to steer this walk, and we are really delighted and grateful that the State Commission for Persons with Disability Goa, the Department for Empowerment of Persons with Disability, United Nations India, and the Department for Disability Affairs from the Ministry of Social Empowerment and Justice are supporting this walk. The 100-kilometer walk is from Karwar to the venue of the Purple Fest, since this walk is aligned with the Purple Festival, which is something that we are extremely proud and excited to be associated with. As an architect, I have walked over 2,600 kilometers through different parts of India, the first walk being from Kolkata to Delhi, which was 1,700 kilometers long. The recent walk from Chennai to Bengaluru was also focused on accessibility and brought to light the fact that there is a lot of work to be done in this space. I speak from the lens of an architect, where this is not really part of our curriculum yet, and that's something that we at Ethos Foundation are working strongly towards, making colleges aware, making students of architecture more sensitized, and seeing how we can mainstream accessibility and universal design. For this to be a reality, there is a lot of work to be done. One, there needs to be information available. There needs to be information available on products, on vendors, on experts, on case studies, on best practices, on the law, on the guidelines. There is just not enough information accessible for accessibility to become a norm. If all architects start adopting this as part of everything that they do, that's when real change will happen. We need to see change in infrastructure, we need to see change in how precincts are designed, we need to see change in how buildings are designed. And it's only when that happens that there will be demand for products, and hence the costs will really come down. Right now, the costs of an accessible design are also astronomical. And I think mainstreaming accessibility and universal design is the key way forward. I'm excited and hopeful that this 100-kilometer walk through Goa for accessibility, the Apna Our Cause Purple Walk, will make a difference in highlighting universal design and accessibility.